Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Everything Online Chapter 3 of Level 2 Basics of Spanish. In this chapter, we will see some terms, that is nouns, verbs, adjectives, everything related to shopping. That is something that you can use while shopping, while you are in a Spanish speaking country or while you want to talk in Spanish and shop along with it. So let us get started. So let us start with our chapter 3. Let's go shopping. Now this chapter is going to be a little longer, but stick to the end, till the end. It's going to be worth it. That's all I can say. So let us start with our chapter. The first part is some useful phrases and words. Now these are the phrases. I have divided them into 3 categories that according to situations that you might face while shopping. So let us begin. The first category is when you are looking for something, when you are looking for stores or some particular object. So we can say phrases like, first one, where can I buy, and the thing that you are looking for. So where can I buy is said as ¿Dónde puedo comprar? And for example, you want to buy dresses. The word for that we'll be seeing later, but ¿Dónde puedo comprar vestidos? ¿Dónde puedo comprar vestidos? Another phrase for that can be I am looking for, estoy buscando vestidos. Okay. The third phrase can be you are asking a particular shop. So do you sell, and then the object or the thing. So vendes vestidos, vendes camisas, that is shirts. So like that. The second category is asking the details for something. Once you have found what you were looking for, you want to ask some details about it. So the first phrase that you can use is, do you have it in the particular color, a particular size or a number? Or you can ask, do you have another one? So this goes, lo tienes en color, size, number, whatever color you want to say, or size or number. So lo tienes en, and then the color, size or number. Or lo tienes otro. Next one is, can I try this or these on? You obviously they'll let you, but it's good to ask. So can I try this or these on can be said as puedo probarme esto for this, and puedo probármelos for these. So puedo probarme esto or puedo probármelos. Where is the fitting room? This you can ask when you are looking for dresses or buying dresses or something. So where is the fitting room? ¿Dónde está el probador? ¿Dónde está el probador? The next category is when you have finalized everything and you have liked something that you are ready to buy. So for buying stuff, the first phrase that we can use is I like this, or I like that, or I like those, one or ones, depending on the amount. So me gusta este, me gusta ese, or me gusta esos. Okay, so I like is me gusta, and then this, este, that, ese, those, esos. Second kind of phrase is I am going to buy this, that, or these. So voy a comprar esto, eso, estos. Voy a comprar esto, eso, estos. And the third way that you can say is after buying, you obviously want to ask how much is that, or how much is this, or how much is are these. So ¿cuánto cuesta este? ¿Cuánto cuesta este is for how much is this. ¿Cuánto es eso? How much is that? And ¿cuánto son estos? How much are these? Okay, so that's the difference, a little different here. So these were the important phrases. Now let us look at some bonus words or some nouns that are important. So first we have is some colors. So these are the names, or this is what different colors are said in Spanish. So blue is azul, azul. Red, rojo, rojo. Green, verde, verde. Yellow, amarillo, amarillo. Black, negro, negro. White, blanco, blanco. Let us see some extra words. So the word for clothes is ropa, ropa. Store is tienda, tienda. So a clothes store can be said as tienda de ropa. Okay. Suitcase is maleta. A bag is bolso. A purse is cartera. Okay. A dress is, like I said, vestido. A shirt is camisa. And a t-shirt is camiseta. Now let us practice some sentences. The first one is, do you sell purses? Do you sell purses? ¿Vendes carteras? ¿Vendes carteras? I want to try this dress on. I want to try this dress on. Quiero probarme este vestido. Quiero probarme este vestido. How much is the bag and the suitcase? ¿Cuánto es este bolso y maleta? ¿Cuánto es este bolso y maleta? And the last one. That is very expensive. Can you show me another one? Esto es muy caro. ¿Puedes mostrarme otro? Esto es muy caro. ¿Puedes mostrarme otro? Mostrarme. Mostrar is to show and me. So me. So esto es muy caro. ¿Puedes mostrarme otro? So that was it for our Let's Go Shopping chapter. Now the link for the resources for this chapter, that is the Word document that I make kind of notes, is attached in the description. You can have a look at it. I have put in some extra things in that, so that I felt might be useful. And yeah, that was it. If you have any questions or any doubts or even any feedback, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.
So was that video helpful and fun? If you liked this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to our channel Learn Everything Online, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Also, please leave your feedback in the comment section. It helps me improve my content and your learning experience. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.